6 bed, 4.5 plus bath, for 1,232 square feet, 0.86 acre lot, 9916 King Road, Springfield Township, Michigan, for 8350. A new price for your new home. 6,500 plus square feet of living space, plus flex suite. Casual Elegance describes this custom builder and designer's own lakefront home on spring-fed all-sports Dixie Lake with 300 plus feet of shoreline on 2 sides. High-end finishes, from the one-of-a-kind Swarovski birdcage chandelier to the stunning kitchen with granite, custom cabinets, and new stainless steel appliances, including a Bosch touchscreen refrigerator. A mix of field stone, high-end engineered, and travertine floors adds to the charm. Stunning lake views throughout as well as from the stamped concrete lower-level patio and wraparound upper deck. Designed with a mix of traditional living spaces and creative flex rooms to suit many lifestyles. Roomy beds/baths, including a large walk-in travertine shower and sitting room in your primary suite. 2,125 square foot lower level with walkout has a large bedroom, sitting room, large family room, bath, and kitchen. 3 main floor patio doors with access to a huge deck from the kitchen, dining room, and great room. Lake views from floor to ceiling windows throughout. Flex suite/office, 950 square feet, above the garage with kitchen and full bath. Extra deep 4-car garage with epoxy floor has tons of space for your lake toys, and the extra wide concrete drive has room for 10 plus vehicles. Features and updates, 2009 to present. Includes seawall, concrete patio, whole house generator, septic field 2021, light fixtures, great room flooring, deck and deck boards, iron front door 2024, stainless steel appliances, and more. Clarkston Schools. Close to I-75 and many amenities.
But why?